Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get a refund from Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, go to the billing section on the left panel. Then, select subscriptions. The first step is to turn off auto-renewal on your active subscriptions. This ensures that your plans won't renew automatically while your refund is being processed, preventing any extra charges. Let's start with your domain. Click on the small arrow beside it, then click Disable Auto Renewal. Confirm it by clicking Disable again. After that, do the same thing for your web hosting plan. Click the arrow beside it and disable auto renewal just like before. Once you've done that, it's time to request your refund. Go to the question mark icon at the top right corner of your screen to open the Help section. Next, select a topic by clicking the drop-down menu. Choose Billing, and then select I want a refund. After that, click Start a live chat. Here, send a message to the support team clearly stating that you'd like to request a refund for your service. Through this process, Hostinger customer support will review your request, verify your eligibility under their 30-day money-back guarantee, and give you through the steps until your refund is successfully processed. And that's it. That is how you get a refund from Hostinger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.